Hello and welcome to jkkmobile.com. Motorola Milestone, already a great super phone, but just yesterday we actually got root access for that. So what does it mean and how to do it? Let's check it out. I will guide you through the process and then talk a bit about why do it or why not do it. So let's go. Okay, so let's do it. First thing, you have to download the Milestone root.zip. I will link to the site where you can get it on my blog. So you download that and then you have to rename it to update.zip. That's it. Then plug the USB cord of your Milestone to your computer. I have it here. So just click on it on my computer and drag the update.zip there. So here we go. 30 megabyte file. It's now there. All good. And then just close all and remove the USB cord. That's it. Then let's go to the phone itself. On the phone, the next thing you want to do is just turn it off. Power off. Okay. So still really easy process. Now, while your phone is off, you have to hold the camera button like this, keep it hold, and then press the power button. So I'm now pressing the cam and then the power button, and when I see the Motorola thing I can release the power button but still keep holding the camera button. Okay, now we have this kind of sign. That's cool. Then we have to press the volume up rocker and the camera button. And now we get to the console where we can do updates or wipe the device and so on. So now let's open the slider, use the D-pad here to navigate to the apply SD card update.zip. So we choose that, not hard thing, and then just press the OK button on the D-pad. Let's do it. Now, okay. So it's updating. Install from SD card complete. That's it. So now it's rooted. And now you can choose the can you see it? The first thing, which is just reboot system now. So let's press the OK again. So now we're rebooting back to the operating system. Actually, I think it's just, yeah, it's rebooting now, fine. So let's wait that. So this is nothing complicated and not hard thing. And what the rooting, the update.zip does, it actually just gives you the root access there. Nothing more, nothing less. So you really don't get any stupid stuff on your phone. It just gives you the super user privilege enabled there, but it's not enabled without question. So you don't have to be afraid of something happening without you noticing it. It will ask the super user privileges if some software needs that. So this is pretty simple thing. Of course, if you don't need anything like that, then this is just waste of time. But I will explain that a bit more. So now we're there, and the first thing you will notice is actually you will have the super user whitelist there on the software menu. So here we go. That's it. So that's where you have stuff that needs super user privileges. I have 2 softwares there already. I've done this already, so that's why they're there. So how does it work? I'll show you why you might need it. So the first thing for me is that I can't on a Android market, I can't actually buy anything. I can't access anything that's any paid apps. Everything I see there is free, and that's because I'm in Finland. Google doesn't have in some weird way, Google doesn't have a way to show the paid apps in Finland and in many other countries. In Germany, in US it works, but if you are in a country where you can't access that, you might want to root your milestone. So as you can see, everything is free on my Android market. But now I have installed a software called Market Enabler, which is here. I launched that, and now because my milestone is rooted, I can actually choose whatever operator I want to make the phone think I'm in using another operator and in another country. So let's choose T-Mobile US and fake this provider now. So now the phone thinks that I'm actually in T-Mobile US network, and now when I go, let's first kill the market just in case. Now when I go to the marketplace, it will think I'm in US and on T-Mobile. So now I'm killing the market, and now let's go back to the market, and we should see some paid apps. So the market will look a bit different now. Yep, there's some ads there already, and you can already see there is apps that are not free. So now I can buy stuff. Well, actually I can't buy before I annotate my credit card to Google Checkout, which you should do on your main computer. So what I did, I went to Google Checkout and enabled my credit card there. And after that, immediately, if I'm going to the market, it actually knows that I have a checkout feature and I can buy stuff. So now I can easily buy any apps I want. So that was a really nice thing for me. Of course, there are other stuff you could do with that, like I'm using the Draw Cap 2 software, which needs also the root access. So this is a screenshot utility. So I can show you. It takes screenshots from the system when I shake the device. So now it took screenshot of the desktop. So looks like that. So that's a cool software to have. But that's not the only thing. Also, you can use cool softwares that like let's see, the overclocking widget. So you can do overclocking and underclocking if you want. Overclock widget. So it's now showing the CPU speed on my device, and I can play with the settings and so on. I don't really use that, but routing enables that too. Of course, the main thing for many is that with routing, we have possibility to actually modify the bootloader, so we can install new updates and operating systems that someone else has made. So right now we don't have it, but in near future we will have the new bootloader. So then we can actually also install custom-made ROMs, operating systems. So if someone makes something really cool for Android, for Droid, and we want to use that, we can then install it. So everything like that is needed when you root the device. So rooting is cool, but if you don't have the need to fake your market access, if you don't have the need to install some let's say going further things like softwares that needs the root access, the rooting is totally waste of time for you. But if you need that kind of stuff, then it's easy to do. So for me, main thing was the market access and also the Screensoft software, also the feature update. So now I have to actually reboot my device to get the faked operator thing away. So right now I want it back to my Finnish operator because I don't need to have the fake thing all around here. But rooting, that was rooting. Hopefully I explained to you why root, why not. If anything, just ask more in the comments. Remember, the link to milestoneroot.zip will be on my site, so jump to my site to check it out. It was all done by androidhilf.de guys, so German guys did it, and we are just eating their goodies, so thanks. Big thanks to those guys doing this. Okay, this was all for now. Next time something else. Thank you, bye.